Babe, did you see my white? Come on, babe. We can't continue to go over this every morning. It's not healthy.
Why do you keep making me sound like a mad woman? Why can't you understand things from my own point of view? Why are you making me feel like I'm insane?
Baby, I understand you. I totally do.
Do you? Don't.
Babe, I understand you, okay? But I really need you to understand me too. Come on, I must not have a son. We have a very beautiful, wonderful and intelligent daughter, Celia.
Okay.
I mean, we're not God who gives children. And for crying out loud, I am okay with what God has given us.
Does your family understand this? I mean, what you just said to me now, does your family get it? Smith, it's not going to be long before your mom comes to visit. And trust me, you know this, that she won't rest until she taunts me in this house. Smith, we need to keep trying. We need to keep trying for a male child. We need to keep trying. Don't you get it? We need a male child in this house.
Baby, we've done that already. Countless times at that. I mean, you've even made us resort to IVF. You and I know that I've been on your side from day one. Come on, baby, I'm married to you and not my mother.
But I need a son. I need a male child. I need a male child. I need a male child. We need to keep trying. Babe, I need a male child.
It's okay. It's fine. Let's go and cease to amaze me. I see you washed my car again.
Yes. It was a little dirty, so I decided to wash it out.
That's so nice.
You know, you're the best gift God has given us.
Of course I am. Or didn't you know before now?
Okay, so we gotta go, huh?
Okay, baby.
Mwah.
Have a wonderful day at school, okay? Be a good girl.
Of course.
Well, let's go. I wouldn't want you running late to school.
Okay, mommy.
Have a wonderful day at school, okay?
All right.
Be a good girl.
Of course I will. Bye-bye.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, baby.
Hey! Oh. Ha! Nne!
Hi.
EJ, what are you still doing here?
Mama, I wanted to finish everything I'm doing before leaving.
Oh, wow. You see, the reason I boast about you to everyone, I brag with you. Because despite the fact that you are well educated, you are still domesticated, respectful, and very humble.
Mama.
Ofonye?
Mama, look, you need to stop flattering me.
I am not flattering you, my daughter. Look how beautiful you are. Still, you will sweep, you will clean, you will dust everywhere for me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I should be the one thanking you, Ijoma. Thank you so much for being a good child.
It's okay, Mama.
Mama,
I hope the market wasn't too stressful.
not really, but a little bit. Just a normal thing.
Mama, you're welcome. Let me
you.
go and drop this in.
Hey, no,
Mama.
Mom.
Mama, I'm done.
Eh.
Yes. I wanted to ask, is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
No, you have virtually finished everything. You have cooked, cleaned, washed. Strong woman. Thank you very much.
Now, are you sure?
Yes.
You don't want me to do anything for you?
I was even thinking maybe you should start going back home. Your parents might need you because you've been here for quite some time now.
Mama, I don't want to go home tonight. I want to stay with you.
What about your parents?
I already told them I'll be coming home tonight.
Oh, well, in that case, you are welcome to stay with me as long as you want.
Thank you, Mama.
Just take any of the rooms there. What am I doing with all of them? Clean it up and make yourself comfortable in it.
Okay, Mama, I will. Thank you.
I should be the one thanking you. My daughter, I was meaning to ask you, that is, if you don't mind.
Okay, Mama, what is it?
Do you have any man in your life?
Man?
Yes, man.
No. I don't have any man in my life, Mama.
Are you serious? Well, that is that's okay. Again, I ask, are you ready for marriage?
Mama, if the right man comes, then yes, I'm ready.
Sometimes I wonder what men want. Look at a beautiful, intelligent, domesticated young lady still walking about, and men are seeing her and they walk past. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. It's okay. You can go to any of the rooms and prepare it for yourself, okay?
All right, Mama. Thank you very much.
Or if you want to stay in my own, no problem.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Hi. Such a good girl. Pretty. Intelligent. Hardworking. What more?
Celia, come in.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Hey, baby. How are you?
I'm very fine. So I came to remind you and Dad about the excursion fee.
Oh, baby, but we can't forget that, okay? Your mom is going to be in your school tomorrow to pay the fees.
Okay, thank you, Dad. Mommy?
Celia, I know that look. What do you want?
Please, I really love you to make me some snacks so that I can go to school with them tomorrow. Please?
Snacks?
Yes. Would you really love them? Please.
Would you? Okay, sure, I will.
Thank you, Mom. I love you.
Oh, and you don't love me?
Of course not. Dad, I love you so much. You're the love of my life. Daddy.
And we love you too, baby.
Okay. Good night. Let me leave you to become wonderful best friends. While I go to my room and become
Wonderful best
a
friend.
wonderful daughter, like I've always been, though. Good night.
Good night, baby.
She's so smart.
Duh, she took after me, so why not?
Hello. Look who's talking.
Jealousy. You.
You're crazy. Hello, Mama. Mama, can you please stay in your house? I'll come and see you.
What is wrong with you? Why will you ask me to stay in my house so I can visit my son again?
Mama, I know what you're coming to do, and that's why I'm asking you to please stay in your house.
That woman has totally brainwashed you. I don't blame you.
Oh, God.
EJ.
Mama.
I'm going to my son's house in 2 days.
That's very good.
I want you to come with me.
You want me to come with you? Mama, I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. I want my son to marry you.
Marry me.
Smith, can you just try and listen to
Daddy,
me?
can you please just stop, okay? Just stop it.
Why don't you care about my feelings?
How could you even say that to me? You know I care about you.
Then let's try another IVF, please.
Oh my God. But, okay, Nadia, please.
Smith, I need another child. I need a son. Don't you get it?
Okay. So how do you know that if you get pregnant, it's going to be a boy?
I know it's going to be a boy. I know. Please, let's just do something, please.
We'll talk about this when I get back, please.
Smith, we're not done talking about this. Smith, come on.
This stupid girl now? Where is she? Eh?
No.
Stupid girl. So you want my fingers to fall off my hand before you open this door?
I'm sorry.
You should be sorry for yourself. Be sorry for your useless self. Stupid girl. Nonsense.
Welcome, Mama.
I don't need your greetings. Keep it to yourself. I don't want it. Just leave me alone. You know, yeah.
Mama, we're not expecting you and the visitor.
So I have to sign documents and write you a letter before I come visiting my son.
That is not what I am saying.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Let me know what you are talking about.
Mama, who is she?
Who is she? How does it concern you? The person I am with. It is none of your business. You don't have anything to do with your time. Eh? You don't have anything to do with your time except sit and eat my son's money. The person I am with has nothing to do with you.
Mama, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just asking to know if...
I don't care what you are asking me for. Get out of my sight. Get out. I told you.
Mama.
She does nothing but sit and eat my son's money.
Mama, are you sure this woman will not chase me out of this house?
She dare not do it. She dare not do it. She can never chase you out of my son's house. She dare not try it.
But Mama, she looks tough. Oh. I don't want problem.
Are you not tougher than she is? I know you now. You're a strong girl. Now. You have come to stay, my daughter.
Yes, Mama.
This house is your house. You are free to do whatever it pleases you in this house. Okay, so come, let me show you to your room. Only feel free, relax. Come, I'll show you. Don't shake, don't shiver. Good. Come on, EJ, close the door. And you, go in there. Pick every of your thing and leave this room immediately.
Excuse me?
Are you deaf? I say go and pack every of your thing and leave this room. Your stay here has elapsed.
Mama, I do not understand anything you're saying. I do not understand anything you're saying at all.
Are you mad?
Mama, the only reason I am respecting you right now is because I see you as a mother. You come into my house with a woman that I do not know. Now you storm into my bedroom that I share with my husband, telling me to vacate it. Does it make any sense to you?
So what you are invariably telling me is that I am talking out of sense. I don't have sense anymore. No problem. So, Adria, no problem. Hmm? You're telling me this to my face. You. Now go there and pack every of your stupid things like I said and get out of this room. Leave my son's room.
Pack and go, leave! Mama, must be joking. I should leave my husband's house.
I know you. I am not surprised because I know what you can do. And I also know what I will do to you. And I give you 1 hour. 1 hour! Else, you won't like what I'll do to you. Just look at you. You're done! You don't have anything to offer anymore.
DJ, let's leave here.
You have 1 hour. 1 hour to leave this room.
Who is this one?
Come on, get out! Come back. We'll come back. 1 hour. What just happened? Eh? It's a joke. It has to be a joke. Should leave my house.
Mama! Mama, where are you? Mama!
Have you gone mad? Why are you yelling and shouting my name like a child? What is wrong with you? I'm shouting my name before my granddaughter.
Mama, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? And who is that lady you brought into my home?
What sort of stupid and useless question is that?
Babe, don't talk to Mama like that.
Look at this pretender. Are you saying that? For real? Were you not the one that called him? Now you are pretending and acting like you are a saint. You are not aware. Don't worry. Very soon you'll be caught up with menaces. And my God will very, very soon expose you for who you are.
Grandma, please don't talk to my mother like that.
Will you shut up your mouth? Eh? Look at the child of yesterday. So you people have taught my granddaughter how to insult me.
Mama, I did not teach her anything.
You did.
Go to your room, baby.
You did. Stupid girl. My granddaughter of yesterday. Both of you have taught my granddaughter to insult me.
Mama.
Right?
Mama, I beg you in the name of God and everything you hold there. Go in there now, take that woman back to wherever you brought her from.
I'm not leaving.
Excuse you?
I said I am not leaving.
Smith. Say something.
Hey, Smith, mama. Is that go? Yeah? Are you dumb?
Mom, why are you crying?
Me? I'm not crying, baby. Come on.
You're crying.
No, I am not. I'm fine.
What's the problem?
There's no problem. There's no problem.
Mom, is Daddy going to marry that lady?
God forbid. He would do no such thing.
Then why is she here? Why did Grandma bring her here? And why is Dad downstairs taking a lot of alcohol? Mom, what is happening?
My baby, there's no need to worry. Okay? Just go to your room, do your homework so I can go to sleep. Okay?
But Mom,
I insist. Go to your room and do your homework. You know it's past your bedtime. Man, you have to go to school tomorrow. Just go and do your homework so you can sleep. Everything is fine.
Are you sure, Mom?
Sure.
Okay, good night.
Good night, my baby.
Mind if I join you? I know your liver is in pain.
Why are you here? Why?
Because your mother finds me a perfect fit for you.
Karen.
Yes, baby.
Karen, I am a married man with a child. There is no space in this heart or in this house for anyone else.
We will create the space. We will create that room. Okay? Come here. Don't drink so much.
Life is not fair. Wishes can never be through sometimes. I was reaching for the stars, but I woke up to my own broken dreams.
Why are you not saying anything about this?
What do you want me to say?
Can you hear yourself? Are you serious right now? Your mother brought in another woman into our matrimonial home and you feel you cannot address the issue? Smith, what is really going on? Is there something you're not telling me?
Can you not put words in my mouth?
Wow. Just wow. Smith, wow. What is going on here?
I know it's better than this.
Is this not the same breakfast I set for my husband and my daughter? Am I talking to myself?
What is it, Nadia? What? Why are you shouting like a mad person?
Mama, you are pushing me, oh!
Mama, you're pushing me! Hey! Don't talk to Mama like that.
And if I do, what will you do?
Then I will put some senses into you.
Oh, really? Yes! You must be out of your mind! I will put some senses into you! Nothing is wrong with you!
You will not talk to my mother in that manner.
Who is this small
Come
rat?
over you.
Eh?
Are you out of your mind? What are you doing here?
Grandma, I see that you came here to cause chaos, like you always do. But you see this time, I'm not going to let you taunt my mom. I'm not going to let anybody, not even you, taunt my mom. Mom, let's go. Let's go, just look on your own. Don't worry.
So what are you going to eat today?
Mom, it's okay, it's fine. I'm fine, I'm a big girl now, so I can take care of myself.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, my darling.
It's
I'm
fine.
really sorry.
Mom, you don't need to be sorry.
Look at this Nora too. Look at my granddaughter that was given birth to just yesterday. I told you that this girl, that my son married a witch. Look at what she has turned my granddaughter into. Eh? Nonsense.
Mama, you see that Nigerian? She's a real witch.
I know.
Don't worry, I will handle them. In this house, I will handle them, Mama.
I trust you.
I will show them pepper.
I trust you.
I understand perfectly what's happening and I don't like you to bother yourself.
Thank you. You are such a wonderful daughter.
And you are such a wonderful mother.
Have a wonderful day at school.
Alright, bye. Take care of
Bye.
yourself. Have a wonderful day at home. Don't know.
So what is your dad saying about this? You can't just keep quiet.
My dad. I don't just understand my dad anymore. Since this case started, he has not addressed it. He has just been silent. I don't understand.
Something smells fishy.
Exactly. Something is wrong somewhere, and I'll definitely uncover it. Because that woman cannot just come into our house and destroy the peace of our home. It's not possible.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. Thank you. Okay, let's rush home. It's like he wants to rain.
Mama, I have made your lunch. So in case you get hungry, just check the microwave. Your food will be there. Let me rush to the church. Okay.
Immediately. Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
What?
Hey, Mama, it's locked though.
So this stupid girl locked my son's bedroom. Oh, she thinks she can outsmart me. Of course she can't. I will match her up anywhere and anyhow she wants it.
Yes, Mama.
This is my son's house. I have the right to go anywhere and enter any place as it pleases me. And nobody will stop me. Including this bedroom.
Yes. Mama, that stupid girl. It's as if she knows that we wanted to open this door.
Don't worry. I know how to handle her. Let her just go and return back to me because I'll be waiting for her here. Let her go and come back. I'm still sitting in my son's house waiting for her.
Mama, you know what? Let's break the door. Let's break this door, Mama. Let's break the door.
EJ, break the door.
Now.
Mano. If we break down this door, my son will spend money in repairing it. I don't want anything that will affect my son. Who I am targeting is that witch that I want to teach a lesson.
Yes, Mama.
Let us just go downstairs and wait for her.
Mama, she will come back and meet us.
Of course, yes.
She will come back and meet us.
Here. I will take your position.
Yes, Mama.
Trust me. Come, let's go.
Mama, let's go. Hey. So I'm too small for you to greet, Abby. Eh?
Well, I don't see any problem with you greeting me first.
Are you okay? Huh? Are you mad or something? What is wrong with you?
I'm not mad. You know, it baffles me to know that someone as intelligent as you are would leave her parents' home and come to another woman's house to wreck it.
I can see your mother did not train you well.
Well, I'll say the same for you.
Hey, don't you dare. Don't you dare raise your filthy hands on my daughter.
Your daughter? Your daughter disrespected me.
Well, you called for this disrespect. You've come to destroy my home. Let me ask you, Karen, of what benefit is it to you?
Really? Is that so? You know what? I think I have given you more than enough time for you to accept and make things easier for me. But since you have decided to treat me like nothing, I guess it's time for me to take the bull by the horn.
The bull by the horn? What do you mean by that?
I think it's high time I told your wife our little secret.
You see, you can't do that, Karen.
My name is Ijoma.
Okay, fine. Ijoma, what exactly do you want?
What I've always wanted. Smith. Always wanted.
Yes. Look at that drink.
Looks like those expensive drinks.
Exactly.
Very expensive.
Smith can buy it for me. I'll tell him to do that.
I trust you. Mama, look at what is it?
I'm saying everything. Whoa.
Mama, what's the meaning of this now? Huh? So it has gotten to the extent of locking my wife outside her matrimonial home? What is all this now?
What nonsense are you talking about? The only wife I know you have is Ijoma. So I don't understand any of this rubbish you're talking about.
Mama, please. Mama, please don't scatter my home. I beg you.
Smith, how am I scattering your home? No, tell me. How am I scattering your home? You want me to sit here and fold my hands and watch you labor in work all the days of your life and having nobody to inherit it? Or somebody to continue with your lineage? No, what nonsense are you talking about? This woman, this thing you brought in here, cannot work. She has never done anything in this house.
Nothing, no.
Something as simple as giving you a male child, my own grandson, she cannot do. So tell me, of what usefulness is she still in this home? Keduloba, why is she still here? And you're still defending her to my pain. Eh?
Mama, I beg you. I beg you, please.
Mama, please, when am I moving into my husband's room?
Immediately.
Immediately.
Tonight.
Mama, what you do?
Smith, you don't cry like a child, for goodness sake. I gave back to a man. Stop acting like a kid. Ijoma, follow me. Oh yeah. Come inside.
What's the
Mama, pack all her things out of that wardrobe and throw it.
How can you pack it to... You do not... What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Mama, what is the meaning of this? Mama, you see what this girl did? Are you seeing what she did? You can see the way she pushed me, oh. Mama, I can see the way she pushed me now.
Go to the wardrobe, I told you. Bring her things out and throw them away.
Throw okay, what? If you try me in this house, just don't try me. Mama, have you no heart? Huh? What if I was your own daughter? Is this how you want me to be treated, Mama?
Well, you are not my daughter. And can never be my daughter. And of course, I can give birth to a thing like you. And the earlier you understand that your stay in this house is over, the better for every one of us.
Exactly.
Okay? DJ,
Mama,
go and do what I asked you to do.
Okay, Mama.
Try everyone.
You will not try. If you try me, Mama, hey, Mama, she has fallen down.
Let her fall now.
Eh?
I am not deceived by this dramatic art. I am not deceived by it.
Hey, Mama, what if she's dead? Eh? What if she hit her head and die? Hey,
this small fall cannot kill.
Nadia!
Mom,
come on,
what did you guys do to her?
Mama, what have you done, Mama? Sit there, go get the car key. Jesus Christ,
what are you carrying? What are you lifting up?
Sorry, Mom. Sorry. Go ahead.
What is going on here?
That's my parents' bed. Leave.
Babe. Let's just go to another room. Okay.
Dad!
What? Smith, are you asking me to leave my matrimonial bed for another woman?
Baby, it's just for the time being, okay? And besides, you know you're not strong.
Don't tell me that! What is going on? What has come over you? Smith, baby, talk to me. Are you under a spell? Huh?
Hey, babe, this is for the betterment of everyone.
Dad.
Celia, please just go to your room.
But Dad, that's not fair.
Celia, please just go to your room. My dear, I love you. And I'm sorry for everything.
Please take this woman out of this room. Take her out!
I'm sorry. Let's just go.
Get out! And you, make sure you come back to this room.
You are sleeping in this room tonight. If you don't do it, you already know what will happen, right? You must sleep in this room tonight. If you like, go anywhere you want to go, but you will come back and meet me. Rubbish. My daddy's room.
Hey.
Don't touch me. Just leave. Just leave! Leave! Leave me alone!
Okay, fine.
Just leave!
Tough girl. See, whatever thing you did to hold down my son, continue with it. It's pleasing to me.
Hey, Mama.
Just imagine. Look at how you were able to put that girl in her place. Just in few days that we were here.
Mama, you have nothing to worry about.
Hey!
You know you told me to go and prepare.
Exactly.
So I went and I prepared.
Good girl.
I am well prepared and I am ready for any battle.
Exactly.
No matter how they bring it, I am ready for it.
I trust you, Mom.
Mama, I am ready. Don't worry. Very soon, very, very soon, you will carry your grandchild. A male grandchild.
How? Ogunano, finish. That is all I want. A grandson. My grandson. In my arms. From you. Finish. Once you're able to do that, my daughter. Just leave everything for me.
Mama, you will carry your grandson. That one is already settled.
My daughter.
Mama.
Just go back to your room. And continue with the good work you're doing on my son.
Okay, Mama.
That pinned him down. Continue with that. If possible, let tonight be the night.
Mama.
We're not waiting for any other thing.
Mama, the mama. Don't worry. Let me go and get myself ready.
Just go to the room and continue with the good work.
Okay, Mama.
Just continue
Mama,
doing that.
you have no problem. Just leave everything
Do
for
everything.
me.
Use
Leave
every
everything for
tactics, every style, every system.
Okay.
Anyhow, just do it. Just don't allow my son to go an inch away. Hold him down until the thing clinks. Molo, jide mom, grandson. See.
Karen, please leave me alone.
I thought I told you my name is Ijoma.
It's been so many years. Why here, Karen? Why? I thought you'd have moved on by now. Karen, my wife does not deserve this.
Stop it. You're upsetting me. Why are you doing this? I want you to make love to me.
I will not do that.
Really? You will. You hear me? You will. Don't keep me waiting.
Karen, please. Please.
I'm waiting. And don't keep me waiting.
Celia, so you no longer greet me. I wish I could explain anything.
I don't need your explanations.
Celia.
You have already made your decision. You know what? I'll be outside.
Life is not fair. Wishes can never be through sometimes. I was reaching for the stars, but I woke up to my own broken dream.
What is it?
Babe, I fear that you leave me one day.
Leave you? Why would you even say such a thing? I'd never leave you. Okay? I love you.
But I don't have a son for you.
But that does not matter. Okay? I care less for a male child.
What about your mother? You and I know very well that Mama does not understand this.
Well, Mama is just being a typical African mother. Okay? She'll come around, I believe so.
Okay, what if she brings in another woman into our home for you to get married to and asks me to leave because I don't have a male child?
Nadia, that will never happen.
What if it does?
Then I'll defend you. Okay? I'll stand by you every bit of the way. No woman can ever come between us. I promise you.
Are you sure?
Of course I am. All right?
You promise?
I promise.
Now I am despair. My hopes and dreams are gone. I watch them evaporate. Sky turning slowly.
Finally, I get what I deserve. Waiting for 14 years wasn't a waste after all. I will make sure I get what I deserve. I will make sure of that. I haven't even started. don't you move out of this house? Have shame and dignity and leave.
Exactly.
Move out, go.
Don't mind her. Mama. She will eventually leave.
Mama, she has to. She has to leave this house for me. Because this is my husband's house.
Yes.
And I'm here to stay.
And we're staying.
She will go.
We're staying, my dear. You don't have anything to worry about. Let's watch television.
She will leave. She will go.
Uche, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. My mom has been relegated to the guest room and she has been there. She doesn't want to come out. I'm just so tired.
Stop crying, Celia. Crying won't solve anything.
What else should I do? Hey, Uche, what else should I do? What else should I do? My family is ruined. Oh, God.
Don't say that. Your family is not ruined. Stop being negative.
I seriously need God. I need God to come and take control in this house. I need God.
He will, okay? Please stop crying, okay?
Okay. Okay, now I'll call you back later.
Nadia, please. Please open the door. Nadia. Babe, please open the door so we can talk. Babe, please. Come on, please. I know you can hear me. Please open the door so we can talk.
Follow me. Smith, I just don't like it. I don't like the way you disrespect me.
Okay.
Okay. Is that all you can say?
What more do you want me to say? Huh? You have destroyed my family. I hope that makes you happy now.
Don't make me look like the devil.
Oh, Karen, you are the devil. You are the devil. For crying out loud, what we had was a long time ago. And I thought you would have moved on with your life, but no. Here you are, back in my life 14 years later to destroy everything I have built.
Don't be ungrateful, Smith. Don't be ungrateful. I struggled with you. I was there for you.
Oh, yeah, there she goes again. You were there for me. Life happened. Life happened, Karen. It's been so long. You should have been married with your own kids, for crying out loud.
So easy for you to say. Well, I never stopped loving you.
Huh. Love.
I never did.
Karen, you should not be here. You shouldn't be here. Now, let me tell you this. There's only one woman that I always acknowledge as my wife. And that's Nadia.
Well, Smith, you will acknowledge me as your wife's son. I will make sure of that. I will make sure you pay my bride price in full. And we will live as man and wife. Bet me. Bet me, Smith. You will do my bidding. Else, I will destroy every single thing that you've ever worked for. And I will make sure that those who love you hate you. The ball is in your court.
What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Can't you just please stop? You've done enough damage already.
I have not even started. You will do as I want, or I will expose you.
Carrie, Can't you just forgive me and move on?
Forgive you? Forgive you, you say? I was meant to be your wife, not that woman. The plan was to get money from her and her family, poison her father, then we relocate and get married. That was the plan! I can't give up on my home like this. I can't allow a random woman come into my house and try to wreck it. It's not possible. I can't. What am I going to do? God. Okay. I have to fight for my home. I have to fight for this family. I have built this family over the years, and this woman won't just come from anywhere and try to wreck it. I have to fight for my home. I have to fight for my home.
Mom! Hey, baby! Oh my god, Mom, I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Mom, don't you ever lock yourself in a room again.
I won't, I promise. I'm back now.
Okay.
I made breakfast.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Yes. And I made your favorite.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh. Smells nice too.
I know.
Let's see what's next. Oh my god. Mom, I really miss your cooking.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm back. And I'm
Alright.
making sweet meals for you, baby.
Okay, Mom, so what do I help you with? And Mom.
Fork. Yes.
Like, there are more than 2 plates on the table. I don't understand. You know, why are you going to dishes separately?
It's for your dad and your grandma. Go and call your dad and grandma to come eat with us.
My dad and my grandma?
Yes.
Seriously, Mom, are you going to...
Celia. Go and call your dad and your grandma. Let's eat together as a family.
Oh, as a family.
Yes.
They have...
Celia. Go and call your dad.
Okay.
Who is that? Come in.
Grandma, good morning.
So you, this girl, can greet with this your mouth. You can open this your mouth to greet. I thought I suddenly turned into a witch. Blamus overnight. Good morning.
Grandma, Mommy said you should come down for breakfast.
Which mom?
Mrs. Nadia Smith.
You're very, very rude. Get out of my room. Out. See, look. Breakfast, this morning, all of a sudden. What the mama? Hey.
You were such a man. Oh, you really made me feel like a woman. You were such a man. You made me feel so good. You are a powerhouse. Oh, baby, that was so good. So, this is what I'm going to be enjoying for the rest of my life.
Who is it? Come in. Come in.
Hey, baby.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hope you slept well.
Mom said you should come and eat breakfast.
And where do you think you're going to? Eh? Where do you want to go to? Oh, so you want to go and eat breakfast? Eh? Go and eat your breakfast. But when you are done eating, you will come and meet me in bed. Rubbish. Let's eat.
Alright.
How are we sure you didn't poison this food?
Mama.
Please, don't mama me. Someone suddenly wakes up and decides to make breakfast for everybody. Is it not suspicious? No. Is it not suspicious now?
Mama. I did not poison the food. Please eat.
Test mine. Test this one. Use your spoon. Don't touch my spoon. Use that one. Eat another one. Eat.
Mama.
Is it not the food you cooked? Eat it. We still have to wait for some minutes.
Now, Grandma. If you know you don't want to eat the food, just go to your room and sleep. What's
Celia,
this?
Don't talk to your grandma like that. That's rude.
You seen it? Have you seen who you raised? Look at what he done to my granddaughter. To insult me as he places her. What wrong have I done to you? Sometimes she even wants to put her fingers into my eyes because she wants to talk to me. You sent her to insult me.
Mama, please, I am
Go
sorry.
ahead and insult me. I just said I'm not anywhere to go.
Mama, please, I'm sorry. Forgive her, please.
You want to kill me?
No, Mama, please sit down. Let's eat this breakfast together now, please.
Wait. I will eat it. Until you teach some sense into my granddaughter. Tell her how to talk to me. You can't talk to me anyhow. And sit before me to eat. Nonsense.
Babe, where are you going? Babe, do you really think I poisoned the food?
I'm sorry, babe.
What do you mean you're sorry? What's happening? Why are you doing this? Is she blackmailing you? Is she pregnant for you? Talk to me.
I love you. Okay?
I've never been on this track. I've never seen the sunshine on earth.
So you mean she wanted to poison you?
Exactly. Not just me, but my son too.
Hey! Mama, that woman is so evil though.
I know.
Hey!
I know, that's why I'm being careful.
So she just woke up one morning and decided to poison the whole family. Hey!
But I'm more smart. I know her. Everything she plans, I know every of her steps.
I know.
Nonsense.
Very heartless woman.
Young one.
Mama.
Any news?
News. What news, Mama? Pregnancy.
Exactly.
Ha! Mama. Mama, it's too soon now.
Okabaro.
It's just a week and few days. Mama, see, this thing doesn't come that easily. It doesn't come quickly now.
But
it takes time, Mama.
You don't need all the weeks, a week and whatever days. One good day is enough for you. No. Eh?
Mama.
Okay. Even if it doesn't come easily like that, then we'll try harder on it.
Mama, I'm trying, no. Look, I am doing my best. I'm trying hard, though.
Maybe your best is not good enough. Then you try harder. Eh? Yes, hit it. Climb. Anyhow you want to do it that is okay, but you do it and let the thing get in. All I need is a grandson. Yeah? I told you, exploit him.
Mama.
You have him to yourself.
Okay.
Anyhow you want to do it, all I want is grandson.
No problem.
Don't keep back anything.
I've heard you, Mama.
Once you take it now, we will go and pay your bride price. Imana was attaché.
Okay, Mama.
The bully wholesale.
I've heard you. You see that your grandson carry it.
Thank you, my son.
Soon, Mama. Very soon.
I can't wait
I
to carry
will try harder. Harder. I will try.
I'm going to do everything.
Mama. Come in. Hey, baby.
Mom? How are you?
I'm fine. Come sit with me.
Okay.
Are you okay? Do you need anything?
No, I don't. But there's something I think you need to know.
What is it?
So the other day, I was going to see Dad and speak with him.
Okay.
So when I got to the door, I overheard him having a heated argument with that woman.
Okay.
Mom, I think she's blackmailing him.
Blackmailing him?
Mm-hmm.
That can't be right. What does she have against him? She just met him.
Now that's where the juicy detail comes in. He called her Karen.
What?
Yes, Karen. So I really think there's something there. I don't know.
Yes? Good morning. Please, can I talk to my husband? And who's your husband? Can I talk to Smith, please, if you don't mind? I mind. And you cannot speak with him. Why are you doing this? Why are you here? You are a woman like me. You're old enough to have your own family, your own home. Why are you tearing down mine? What have I done wrong? Aww. What a beautiful speech. Well, for you to make things easier for yourself, why don't you go? Leave. Nobody wants you here. Your mother-in-law brought me in herself. So for your own sanity, leave. That's if you're still sane though.
I heard voices. Who was that?
You need to go and pay my bride price.
Pardon?
You heard me. Go and pay my bride price.
You know, I've been wondering how you got to know my mother. You're not from my village, so how exactly did you know my mother?
Funny question. I think you've forgotten how I am. Whatever I want, I get.
So, you go to this extent. All for what?
All for you. I do it to get my spot back. Now you will go and pay my bride price.
Well, I would do no such thing. I already have a wife, in case you've forgotten.
Do you realize what you stand to lose? If I spill our little dirty secret to your wife, or should I rather say, your jackpot, not only will you lose all that you've worked for, you will also go to jail. So don't push me. And I give it just 1 week. 1 week to go pay my bride price. Else, I'll ruin you.
The vision is clear to see now, but we choose to make it secret. Now it's all a trap.
Babe? Babe, what are you doing here?
I just need to clear my head.
My love, we have never kept secrets from each other before. What is going on?
Nothing. I'm good.
What do you mean you're good? You know you're lying to me. Babe, stop lying to me. Tell me what's actually going on.
I'm sorry, babe. I really am.
Why do you keep apologizing to me?
Because that's the only thing I know I could do at this moment. That's all I know I can do. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. What else to do? I have no idea what else to do. I'm just sorry.
Hey. Am I doing more harm than good? Eh? Am I doing the right thing? But I am only protecting my son's future. The good for my son. I don't see myself doing any wrong thing by wanting my son to give me a grandson. I'm for Joe the name here. This one they are doing, I'm not used to it. No, I don't understand. Oh.
What is the meaning of this?
What are you doing in this woman's arms? Oh, so you left me alone in the bedroom. And then you came to sleep with her on the floor.
Is that why you threw water on us? Have you lost your mind?
Have I lost my mind? Fine! Let me show you how people who have lost their mind behave. Mrs. Smith, I'm sure you don't know what
Just stop it, okay? Please.
Follow me. Now.
Life is not fair. Wishes can never be through sometimes. I was reaching for the stars.
What was the meaning of this? Why would you...
Don't try that rubbish. Don't
Don't you ever try that rubbish with me again. Don't try it.
Did you have to hit me to make a point?
I will hit you again and again if you say any rubbish.
Karen, what more do you want from me?
I need money. 500,000.
So, you're ready to leave now?
Leave where? I need money for shopping. I need to buy clothes. I need to look classy in my husband's house. I didn't come here with anything fancy. And I cannot continue to wear these rags. So I need to go shopping. The money.
Interesting. Well, I do not have 500,000 naira to give you to go shopping for clothes. That's a huge amount of money.
You must be joking. This is my account number. Make sure you put the money in here today.
Mom, good morning, Ma.
Morning, my angel. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine.
Why are you soaked?
Soaked. I fell. Silly me. I slipped and I fell.
You fell where?
Here that I'm up in. I fell here. It was a bad fall.
Oh, sorry. Hope you didn't injure yourself.
No. I'm fine.
Okay.
I am so sorry I overslept. Let me quickly rush and put something together for you to eat.
Don't worry. I'm already running late. And by the way, Uju is here with her mom, so they're waiting for me. I need to go.
Uju?
Yes.
You called her?
Of course I did.
So what are you going to eat now?
Don't worry about me. I'm a big girl now, and I can take care of myself.
Are you sure?
All I need you to do is take care of you, please. So.
Have a wonderful day at school, okay?
Okay, Mom.
I love you.
I love you too.
Take it easy.
Okay. Don't fall again.
I won't fall. Bye. I just want you to know that I did not poison the food.
I know. Okay. This is tasty as always.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh no, thank you very much for the meal.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my daughter.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, son. Son, let me have a taste. Is this still remaining?
Yes, Mama. I have some in the pot.
I won't mind.
Let me get you some.
Thank you. Let me sit. It's really tasty. I like it.
Maybe it's not open.
Oh, sorry. Thank you for the breakfast.
Welcome.
Take care of yourself, okay? And I want you to remember that I always love you.
Why are you sounding as though you're not coming back?
It's nothing. Okay.
Smith?
I gotta go, okay?
I love you.
I love you too.
Be good.
I will.
Bye.
Bye.
Come in now.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon.
I'm sorry for disturbing you now.
It's okay. Oh. I hope there's no problem.
No, Mama, not at all. I just wanted to have a conversation with you.
It's okay.
Mama, trust me. I know that you mean well for your son. You love him and you're only looking out for him. But, Mama, I'm just curious as to how you met Ijoma.
Who Ijoma? I can't really say, but she comes around to help me at home most of the time.
Okay. Has she always been around in the neighborhood?
I'm not too sure. But she comes most often to... Yes, I met her for the first time when I was coming back from the market.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Yes, ma'am. Mama, let me help you. It seems it's very heavy.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Sorry, but do I know you?
No, you don't. Actually, my parents and I, we stay close by.
Yes, that's
ma'am.
so good. That's so good. I must compliment you. You're so beautiful.
Thank you. Mama, let me help you. I can't just watch you carry this. Don't worry.
I don't want to disturb you, my daughter.
No,
I'm just...
Mama, you're not disturbing me. Let me help you.
Thank you so much.
How was market? It wasn't stressful.
It wasn't my daughter. Actually, I just went to my friend's shop to pick up my clothes.
Okay.
She sounds like a really good girl.
Yes, she is. She's a good girl.
But Mama, have you met with her parents? I'm pretty sure she would have mentioned her parents to you a couple of times. Have you seen them?
No, I have not met them. Yes, she do tell me about her parents, but because of their tight schedule, I was not able to meet them.
Tight schedule. Mama, does this not sound fishy to you?
I don't understand.
Somebody you just met, coming from the market, you ran into her, she becomes super nice to you out of the blues for no reason, just like that. Mama, come on.
If there's anything you want to say, say it. If you want to talk to me, talk to me. And all this question back and forth, is it not enough? Or what is it?
Mama,
yeah?
What I'm trying to tell you is that the woman you brought into my home, my husband's house, is not who she claims she is.
What?
Mama, that woman has not been truthful to you.
How?
She is blackmailing your son, my husband.
Blackmail what?
Yes. I am not entirely sure of the details, but I know what I am saying.
Blackmailing? Huh? Ijoma? No. How? Hey. You. Huh?
Why not taking your calls? Where could it be? Huh? It's so late. Hey, Smith, pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. Smith, pick up your phone. God, please protect my husband. Protect my husband, please. Smith, where are you? Mama. Mama, he's not picking. No answer, Mama. Mama, he's not picking up.
Dial the number again.
I've been calling him. Mama, he's not even connecting. He's not going through. Hey.
Please stop crying. My son is not dead. And put yourself together. Biko.
Mama, he's the one!
What happened? Eh? What have we done to you? No, what did we do to you? Eh? What happened? Did your car spoil on the way? Or were you attacked by armed robbers?
Mama, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I got you all worried. Sorry,
You don't frighten me like that again. And if something happens to you, I will just die.
I'm sorry.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mama, this one you called me to come out this early. Is there a problem?
Last night, we were all at the living room, worried because my son did not come back from work in time.
Okay.
Okay. Is that all you have to say? Okay. You were sleeping in your room without any care, like nothing happened. We're not missing out that my son did not come back in time.
Oh, Mama, what do you want me to do? I was feeling sleepy now, so I had to sleep.
It's over.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. We're going back today. We're leaving this house today. Yes.
Going back to where?
To where we came from. I came from my house. You came from your house. So we're leaving this house today. We will go back, you go to your house and wait for your husband. Your own husband.
Hey! Mama, you must be joking.
How?
You must be joking, Mama.
No. Does it look like I'm joking?
You are joking.
Of course I'm not.
You are joking, Mama. Because I cannot wait 14 years to be this close to my dream for you to come and scatter it. I will not let it happen.
I don't understand you. I don't.
Mama, you don't need to understand.
I brought you in here. So I don't understand the 14 years waiting and close to dream you're talking
Mama,
about.
You don't need to understand everything.
Ijoma.
But you see today, Today everything ends! Today everything ends! This house.
That one of my eye. Where be far? Where can I? Who is this girl? Where is Joma? Hey, what did I bring you to my son's house? No. We got that today. All of us. Two of us.
Come out! Come out, everybody! Come out!
What is it?
Out! Everyone!
Why are you shouting like a mad girl?
Why won't I shout? No, Mama, tell me, why won't I shout?
What's
Oh, so
going on
you
here?
all want to get rid of me? No, you want to get rid of me, right? No problem. But I will make sure I scatter everything. Every secret will be let out today.
Secret?
Don't you dare. Don't you dare carry me. Okay?
What is it?
Fine. My name is Karen Amadi. Not Ijoma. Don't you dare interrupt me again. I met this fool 14 years ago when he was still struggling to find his feet as a man. I met him in the streets of Enugu. What? I fell in love with him immediately. I was willing to do anything. Anything. I was willing to do anything to make him stand as a man. Nadia's family, they were quite popular because they had just returned from the UK. And when I got to know about Nadia, I told this fool to approach and pursue Nadia for a relationship.
What?
Nadia's father suffered an unknown ailment, so he was always in and out of the hospital. Nadia was so vulnerable. The point was to get her, date her for some time, get enough money for us to get married, relocate, and to poison the father.
Hey! Name!
Yes!
Chimo!
That was the plan! But Mama, guess what? Do you know what this fool did? This fool got married to Nadia, impregnated her, and I put everything on the line for this fool! For this idiot! But he decided to toss me away like I'm nothing! Like I mean nothing to you! He decided to toss me away. I did everything for him. Nadia, the poison that almost killed your father was administered by Smith.
Hey! Jehovah!
The poison that almost killed your father,
Jehovah.
he was the master planner of everything. He did everything.
So, you are not who you made me believe you were.
No. You know, when Smith stopped picking my calls, I had to find a way. I decided to look for his mother, become friends with her, so she can bring me closer to you. I wanted to get my revenge. I wanted to get my pound of flesh.
Hey!
And I was going to get it no matter how long it took. Enough! You see, I already know about your little history with my husband here. Celia told me.
She overheard the both of you the other night. When Celia told me, I was heartbroken. I felt numb. I did not know what to think. I did not know what to do. At first, I wanted to confront you, Smith.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
And you, if you have nothing else to say, it's time for you to leave my house. Get out! Get out! Leave! Can't you hear me?
I'm so sorry. Nadia, please forgive. Nadia, forgive me. Forgive my son. Forgive all of us who have become. Help! Help!
I'm really sorry, okay? My mind was clouded by Karen's negative energy. Maybe please forgive me.
I'm sorry. From my heart. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Forgive us. Please. Please, my daughter, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Biko. Hey! What have I done? What did I do?
I didn't see it under my
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
At first I thought it was a fairy tale, but I am on the road now, driving through, but it seems it's a trap. The vision is clear to see now, but we choose to make it secret. Now it's all a trap. Doris